Hi, I am Daryl Larner, co-owner of Larner's Office Furniture. Indiana Furniture has been manufacturing high-end office furniture in Jasper, Indiana since 1903. They offer multiple lines of wood and laminate products, all with endless finish choices, a wide range of pull choices, almost unlimited configurations to fit your space, and they offer custom items for that special need. At Indiana Furniture, your products are made to order, inspected in detail, and come fully assembled. You're welcome to visit our showroom to check out a couple examples of this great product and visit their website to see all Indiana Furniture has to offer.